Why you are laughing? I laugh with you.
What's up now? I should cut the call now.
Why you are called me again?
Why did you cut the call?
It's not like me, I want to call you. It's because people here ask of you. I say I should just call you and tell you that people here ask of you. And now come and call you, now come and laugh. Me, I no called you that I want to do relationship again. What are you doing?
Wait. Oh yeah, no fakes. Are they sorry now?
You are sorry. You are sorry for what?
I'm sorry. Calm down.
What you are sorry for? Muri, what you are sorry for? No problem, sir. We go missed.
No fakes now.